This is the backpack of beliefs. You, me, and everyone has one of these backpacks strapped to their shoulders. The only difference is that mine is visible. Inside these backpacks, we carry around beliefs about ourselves and the world. As we journey through life, we also start carrying around the beliefs and opinions that other people give to us. You're not good enough. You're fat. You're too tall. You're ugly. You're stupid. The list goes on and on. If you and I never empty our backpacks of these beliefs, we end up carrying around lies about ourselves that stop us from living with self-confidence and authenticity. This is exactly why the Empty Your Backpack movement was created, with this backpack being the main symbol. The backpack of beliefs is significant because it represents our minds. It provides people with a visual representation of this analogy. When you mentally carry around everyone else's limiting beliefs, it's similar to walking through life with a 500-pound backpack strapped to your shoulders. Just to give you an idea, this backpack is over 4 feet tall, 2 feet wide, 2 feet long, and could literally fit a small family of 4 inside. You might be thinking, Sam, where did you find the backpack? Shout out to Facebook Marketplace. A kind lady who worked in a backpack store sold it to me after COVID closed their business. They used to keep it stationed in their front mirror display to attract new customers. It took me over 50 phone calls to prop houses who rent things for movie sets and 2 months of searching online to find it. Maybe you also noticed that the backpack is upside down. That was intentional, because we should all strive to live life where others' opinions and words slip off our backs like books in an open upside down backpack. That is also why the logo for this project is an upside down empty backpack. The backpack of beliefs will be brought to every event. Audience members love taking pictures with it and treating it like a giant punching bag. Along the journey, it will also be filled with slips of paper that state the limiting beliefs and opinions that people choose to release from their minds after they hear the presentation. By the end of the tour, the goal is to have 1 million beliefs in the backpack. So if you see me walking across the country with a giant red upside down backpack, now you know why.